So guys, basically I ended up at 2 different car meets. But the second car meet, my dream car was there. So here are the clips from the 2 car meets.
You already know it's me.
Oh my God.
Don't worry about him.
Oh my God. Look at this man.
I know it's look.
Louisiana. I ain't gonna lie. I thought I wouldn't even talk to him, really. Oh my man, Eco Boost 6-man. Boom, 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 boom.
Yo, for anyone who already enters a raffle, we're gonna announce the winner at 8 o'clock, but hopefully I'll put your number on
Lamborghini SUV earlier in that thing, trying to be a show off. That's a crazy Mustang, huh? Woo! Look at that yellow in there, gold, yellow, whatever's in there. Bad boy.
Sorry the lighting sucks, guys, but today was a pretty long day. For people who really don't understand just how iconic the R34 is, like, that car is literally the face of JDM. Like, it's amazing. Like, and to have seen it in person literally blew my mind. Like, it was really breathtaking for my first time in my life to see that car in person. Like, I honestly, I almost couldn't even pick up the camera to look at it because I was just like beyond overwhelmed. So it was amazing to see that car. And literally that made my whole week. Just seeing that car in person, and like I had the chills, like goosebumps as to how amazing it was to see that car. So that's just a few clips of the 2 car meets that took place this week. So I have some more heat for y'all coming, including a dyno meet and including some racing. So once again, like, subscribe. Like, I love y'all. Appreciate the support. We're at 643 subscribers. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, hit the notification bell, all the above, please, because it means so much to me. You have no idea. I appreciate y'all so much, and everyone have a good night, rest of the week. Later, Sequence fam, and I'm out.